If your VSL funnel is stuck at 2 times return on your ad spend, it's not because your people aren't clicking, it's because your most qualified leads are disappearing before they ever press play on your video. Give me about 5 minutes though, because I want to share with you exactly where your funnel is quietly bleeding the majority of your revenue, but how the fast funnel activation map actually recovers lost return on ad spend without needing to change a single thing in your VSL. Hello, I'm Tina. I'm from Tina's Sandford Video Ads, and right now, me and my son Dan, we're actually working with experienced VSL funnel owners to break past that 2 times return on ad spend ceiling by introducing just 3 simple, very low-cost video ads, which can catch 80% of the leads that drop off as soon as they enter your funnel. And in every video right now, we're actually sharing one practical insight that you could implement immediately to make your VSL funnel more profitable in just really simple steps. Right now, let's talk numbers. Say like 1,000 cold leads click on your top of funnel ad. Let's say it's $3 per click. That's just $3,000 spent. Yeah, but the thing is right now, industry standards say that out of those 1,000 clicks, it's very likely only 200 people from those clicks that reach your VSL application stage. Did you hear that? Only 200 out of 1,000. But here's the quiet killer. About 60% of those, that's 120 people, never even press play on your VSL. That's standard, yeah. Now, these aren't bad leads. They're actually qualified. They self-qualified by clicking on your ad. Yeah, they're interested. But in the moment for clicking play, something stops them. Okay, it could be a distraction. It could be the doorbell. It could be a child. It could be, a partner. It could be anything. But that is where most funnels right now are losing profit, and most of funnel owners are not even aware of that. I wanted to ask that question. What do you think most funnel owners do right now? Okay, we're talking to a lot of people in the industry, and we're finding the same story, the same patterns. They are shortening their VSL. They're adding in more emails. They're rewriting their offers, or worse, they're just adding in more ad spend top of funnel to scale harder. But the issue is not about your funnel's persuasion. It's all about format and timing for human beings. You got to think about this for yourself. Watching a 20-minute VSL actually feels like a massive ask right now when somebody isn't ready, okay? Even if your offer is perfect for them, they don't know that yet. That is not a copy problem. That's not an email sequence problem. That is a human problem that we can fix. And I'm going to show you actually 3 steps how you can do this. First of all, you can easily identify the segment who reached your VSL but did not press play. Not cold traffic, I'm talking about not the random clicks, just the pre-play drop-offs. Now, step 2, you're going to represent the same solution that your VSL covers, but in lighter formats. You're going to use that information, and then you're going to set up short PDFs. You're going to introduce quick wins. You're going to micro content and build that around their biggest pain point. Okay, there's nothing new though, yeah? You're just going to have less friction on this content. And then step 3, you're going to reroute all those activated leads back into your main funnel, because now the VSL will make sense to them and they'll be ready to click because they've already re-engaged to a specific problem that they care about, and you've shown that you can help them. With this, you're not forcing readiness, you're actually just sequencing it for them. Now, one of our clients actually recovered 18,000 a month in lost leads using this exact method with their VSL. Now, this fast funnel activation map actually shows how to match each core VSL solution to a re-entry format that your pre-play leads are actually more likely to engage with. That's so you can stop leaving revenue on the table. And if you download it, you can start converting the 120 leads that you've already paid for out of every 1,000, but who never saw your offer because they weren't ready. The thing is, if you're only tracking who watch VSL, you're missing a massive chunk of your profitable segment of your funnel who already qualified themselves. And the fast funnel exists for those people who almost press play, so you can recapture your lost ad spend.